Yep. Hi everybody, I'm Miss Julie. I'm here today to do a steam challenge. We're gonna make fizzy snowman. There's several ways you can make fake snow, but today we're gonna use shaving cream. You want the foaming, not the gel kind, baking soda, and then we'll use vinegar in a little bit. So first you're gonna shake the shaving cream, and then you're gonna pour it in a bowl. You can use as much as little as you want. That looks like a good amount. Then you're gonna mix some baking soda in. There aren't exact measurements for this one. You can, if you want, use a whole box of baking soda and a whole can of shaving cream. And then now we're gonna get our hands messy. So I'll roll my sleeves up a little bit, and then we're gonna mix the shaving cream and baking soda together. I think I need some more baking soda. And it's starting to get a little gooey, so even more baking soda. There we go. Now it's coming out. Oops. And you'll keep stirring and stirring. You probably should add more baking soda before sticking your hands in the shaving cream. If you don't want to get your hands messy, you could use a spoon to mix it up. So it's starting to get thicker. And now it's moldable, so we're going to mold it into a snowman. And you could make as many snowmen as you wanted. Parents, this is probably going to get a little messy, so I would do this somewhere near a sink or over linoleum if possible. So there's our snowman, and so now you're going to take the vinegar. You can use as much or as little as you want. So guys, baking soda is the base, vinegar is an acid. So what do we think is going to happen when we mix a base and acid together? Take a look and watch and see if the snowman fizzes. He's melting. As you can see, the vinegar and baking soda react, and it gets very, very fizzy. So I hope you enjoy this challenge. Stay tuned for more. Thanks. Bye.